Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix game not using GPU graphic card on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are playing the game on your laptop or desktop and the graphic card which you are using, it is not in use of your game while playing, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then click on settings. In right section you can see here display, just click on the display, scroll down a little bit, you can see here related setting. Under this you will find graphic, just click on the graphic. Here you will find all your installed apps and games. I have not installed any game, so it's not showing here. If in your case you have installed the game, you just suppose if this is your VLC, this is your game which you are playing, just you need to click on that, click on option. Here you need to select high performance. By default it is selected as let Windows decide power saving. You just need to select high performance. You can see here the graphic GPU Intel ARC HD graphic. Just click on save and close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix game not using GPU graphic card on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.